The CAT 336 excavator is one of the heavyweight construction equipment that plays a crucial role in the construction industry, especially when it comes to excavation and material handling tasks. In this article, we will explore the key features of the CAT 336 excavator and how this machine excels at heavy-duty tasks, like loading rocks into a CAT dump truck with remarkable efficiency. 1. Performance excellence. The CAT 336 excavator is one of Caterpillar's flagship models, which has bolstered its reputation over the years. This machine is equipped with various advanced features that enable increased productivity and efficiency in various applications. Some performance advantages of the CAT 336 excavator include powerful engine, fitted with the C9.3B engine. The CAT 336 excavator can generate ample power to handle rocks and heavy materials with ease. Advanced hydraulic system. An advanced hydraulic system allows operators to control flow and pressure with precision. This is particularly useful when loading rocks into the CAT dump truck, as it avoids energy wastage and enhances efficiency. Speed and accuracy. The CAT 336 excavator comes with control systems that enable operators to maneuver quickly and accurately. This is crucial when working in crowded construction environments. 2. Excavation capacity. The CAT 336 excavator boasts an impressive excavation capacity. With a bucket capacity of 2.6 to 3.6 cubic meters, depending on the configuration, this machine can dig rocks and heavy materials with high efficiency. This capacity ensures that operators can load the CAT dump truck with a significant amount of material in a single digging cycle. 3. Operator safety. Caterpillar places a strong emphasis on operator safety in designing the CAT 336 excavator. The machine is equipped with a spacious and comfortable operator cabin, along with various safety features such as a rear-view camera, sensor-based notification systems, and rollover protection. All of these provide operators with a sense of security and minimize the risk of accidents. 4. Maneuverability and control. The machine also possesses exceptional maneuverability, allowing operators to easily navigate around tight workspaces. The advanced control system ensures that the CAT 336 excavator can efficiently dig and load rocks into the CAT dump truck without encountering difficulties. 5. Easy maintenance. Caterpillar always considers the maintenance needs of its machines. The CAT 336 excavator is designed with easy access to major components, making routine maintenance and upkeep quick and efficient. This means the machine can remain in optimal condition with minimal downtime. Conclusion. The CAT 336 excavator is an ideal choice for construction jobs involving the movement of rocks and heavy materials. With its combination of high performance, large excavation capacity, operator safety, maneuverability, and easy maintenance, this machine allows construction businesses to enhance productivity and efficiency in their projects. When combined with the CAT dump truck, they form a formidable team for handling heavy tasks in the construction world.